Today I am going to start with exercise 10.1. 10.1 question number 1. Few figures are given and you are supposed to find out perimeter of the given figure, and we know how to find perimeter of the figure. We add all the sides. So whatever sides are written over there, you are supposed to add that. So question number 1 is very easy to do by your own. Now I am going to start with question number 2. So let me read question number 2. The lid of a rectangular box. So which shape is given? Rectangle. Of side 40 centimeter by 10 centimeter. So length is 40 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. Is sealed all round with tape. So round word is given. Round is another word for perimeter. What does it mean? In this question we need to find out perimeter, and one more word is also given, tape. You need to put a tape round. It means again you need to find out perimeter. So now we will start with the formula of a perimeter of a rectangle. What is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle? 2 in bracket L plus B. Okay. I told you in my first video how to create the formula by understanding. Perimeter means you need to add. So 2 times length and 2 times breadth is there. So 2 will be common and L plus B. This is the way. We will not muck up the formulas. We will try to understand the formulas. Okay. So now we will substitute the values. No sign is there. It means always there is a multiplication sign. Length is given 40 and breadth is given 10. So 40 plus 10 will give you 50 and 2 into 50 will give you 100 and your unit is centimeter. So what will be the perimeter? Perimeter is 100 centimeter. Now next question, we will go for question number 5. Few questions are very similar in this exercise, so I am not going to solve all the questions. So question number 5, a rectangular piece of length. So again shape is given rectangle, and again we will find out keyword here. Okay. So a rectangular piece of length measures 0.7 kilometer. So 0.7 kilometer by 0.5 kilometer. So breadth is given 0.5 kilometer. Each side is to be fenced. So which word is given here? Fence. What is the meaning of fencing? Meaning of fencing is again perimeter. You need to find out perimeter. So perimeter is equal to question mark. Very important thing is given number of rows. So number of rows are given 4. What is the length of the wire needed? It means we need to find the total length. So 1 down means perimeter and 4 round means we will multiply by 4 to find out the total length of wire. Okay. So start with the perimeter of a rectangle. So what is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle? 2 in bracket L plus B. Substitute the values. Before bracket no sign is there. It means multiplication is there. So 0.7 plus 0.5. This will give you 1.2. 7 plus 5 is 12. And since decimal is there, this will be 1.2. Multiply by this. 12 into 2 is 24. 1 decimal place. So leave 1 digit and put decimal. So 2.4 your unit will be kilometer. Now you need to find total length. How to find total length? Here we multiply by number of rows. Multiply by perimeter. So number of rows are 4 and perimeter is 2.4. And multiply these two. You will get here 9.6 and the unit will be kilometer because everything is given in kilometer. So the total length of wire required is 9.5 kilometer. Now my next question is question number 6. Let us see what is given in question number 6. Find the perimeter of each of the following shapes. Okay. So for each shape you need to find out perimeter. So perimeter is the question mark. And keyword it is not given because already here it is given perimeter. Find perimeter. Okay. So the first one here it is given a triangle. So first one your shape is triangle. For this triangle what information is given? Sides are given. So write down sides. What are the sides here given? 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter and one more is given 5 centimeter. All the three lengths are different. It means the triangle is a scalene triangle, and whenever scalene triangle is there, lengths are different. Always perimeter we find out sum of all sides. Sum means we will add this, add everything. So 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 5 is 12 and your unit is centimeter. So the perimeter of the triangle will be 12 centimeter. Now B part it is given again a triangle, but here this is an equilateral triangle. So the shape is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Side here, side it is given 9 centimeter. So what is the formula for perimeter of an equilateral triangle? Equilateral triangle means all the three sides are same. So instead of adding 3 times, directly you can multiply by 3. If you are adding 3 times 9, then also it is correct. But instead of adding 3 times, we will multiply by 3. So just substitute the value. So 9 3s are 27 centimeter. So the perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 27 centimeter. The third one it is given an isosceles triangle. Instead of equilateral, now it is given isosceles. Isosceles triangles means their two sides are equal. So side means equal sides must be given over there. So equal sides are given here 8 centimeter. And this is the third side. So we can write down which is the third side. Third side measurement is given here 6 centimeter. So here also you can find out sum of all the three sides. So 8 plus 8, 16 plus 6 will give you 22. Okay. This is also the one way, or you can create the formula for perimeter of an equilateral triangle. How many sides are equal? 2. So 2 into equal sides plus third side. So this way you can create the formula, or you can add all the three sides, meaning is 6. Substitute the values. Equal sides are given 8 plus third length is given 6. Always first we multiply. So 16 plus 6. So this will give you 22 and your unit will be centimeter. So the answer will be 22 centimeter. Now we will go for question number 8. Question number 8. Find the perimeter of a regular hexagon. So which shape is given here? Regular hexagon. You need to find perimeter. So perimeter is equal to question mark. Side is given 8 meter. So perimeter means sum of all the sides. Hexagon means hexa comes for 6. So 6 sides, and regular means all the length of 6 sides is same. So again, instead of adding 6 times, we can multiply by 6 into side. So the formula will become 6 into 8, that is 48, and your unit is meter, 48 meter. Next is question number 9. Find the side of a square. So now here your shape is given square. Find the side. It means side is equal to question mark. Whose perimeter is 20 meter. So perimeter is 20 meter. So we will start with the formula perimeter of a square. So what is perimeter of a square? 4 into side. Substitute the values. 20 is equal to 4 into side. This side we need to find out. 4 is in multiplication. So left hand side 4 will come in division. We can cut the numbers. 4 1s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So 5, your unit is meter. So what is the length of the side of a square is 5 meters. Next that I am going to take is question number 10. Question number 10, here it is given the perimeter of a regular pentagon. So shape, here it is given regular pentagon. So the perimeter of a regular pentagon is 100 centimeter. So perimeter is given 100 centimeter. How long is its each side? So side is question mark. So again we will start with perimeter of a regular pentagon. So what is the formula? Perimeter means sum of all the sides. Pentagon means 5. Sum of 5 sides. Regular means 5 equal sides. So instead of adding 5 times, we will multiply by 5. 5 into side. Substitute the values. Perimeter is given 100. 5 side is in the same place. You need to find out side. 5 is in multiplication. So on left hand side, 5 will come in division. Now we can cut the number. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So now the answer is 20. Your unit will be centimeter. Sorry. So the length of the side of a regular pentagon will be 20 centimeter. Thank you for watching today's video.